Hi. Hi. Today let's go through how to do cohort-based revenue forecasting for your existing customers. It's a detailed step-by-step process. Let's start. First, download the cohort report from your Shopify. It is available in your analytics, and if you go to the right, it's in customer cohort analysis. Then download the data and select number of customers as a metric. So you can select multiple metrics. It's number of customers or average order value and various other things, even percentage of return rate. So you need to first select number of customers and download that sheet. After downloading that sheet, take your customer cohort period signed since first purchase, and customer retention as columns, and create a pivot table out of that, where row is customer cohort period, column period since first purchase, and then the value is customer retention, which is the sum of the value. This will somehow look like this. So this will be the downloaded sheet which will appear. It will look somehow like this, where you'll arrange the columns have been rearranged. So please take a note of that. You'll have month, then you will have revenue from existing customers, your forecast, your actuals, and returning customer AOV per cohort. Like for January, what was the returning customer AOV? For February, what was the returning customer AOV? How you get this AOV? In the same cohort analysis in the Shopify dashboard, you can select by AOV and download the data. Then rearrange into cohort size and month 0 to month n, based on n being how many months you want to track to predict the cohort analysis. Next, forecast. How do you forecast this data? Find the average retention rate. First, find the average retention rate of M0, M1, M2, and then multiply the cohort size of the month, which means after finding the average retention rate, to predict the cohort, that is 309, all the numbers which are marked green, the cells which are marked green are the predictions, which is the forecast. So first you find the average return rate of M0, say it is 2%, then 2% multiplied by 6000. So that gives you a number. So once you multiply it by 6000, that gives you a forecasted data. That's your average retention rate. And based on that, you will find the number of customers who will be returning approximately in the month 0 of that specific cohort. This cohort size of 6000 is also entered from our side in terms of how many customers you think can you acquire in that month as in new customers, not the returning customers but the new customers. So M0 will be that. So M1, how will you calculate? First, average percentage return rate of M1 multiplied by the cohort size of that specific month. If you are calculating for say 1/12/2023, then you will multiply it by 5113. This gives you 200. So this way you predict all the customers that will return, and then multiply to forecast the data, multiply your diagonally, like multiply the months diagonally and the cohort size. So 309 into your AOV of that particular month, then 200 into AOV of particular month. So you sum it up, 99 into AOV of 110.23. So sum this all up, and that will be your forecasted revenue. All the values will be multiplied and summed diagonally. After that, so after forecasting returning customer, to predict the customer presented that month. So as shown here, once you multiply diagonally, you will be able to forecast as to what the forecast value for that returning customer for that particular month is. Hopefully this was helpful to you and you got a fair idea on what's new customer revenue to hit for that goal. Thank you. This is presented from Bharat Mavens. We are an e-commerce performance marketing agency. If you're a brand looking to grow your revenue and sales with profitable ads, we can talk. You can book a call at bharatmavens.com. It is BHARATMAVENS.com. Thank you.